Viggo's Kitchen. Today we're going to be decorating cupcakes and making them look like apples. This is how it's going to turn out. Let me introduce you to the items. Here we have an icing knife, 2 leaf-shaped candies, a pretzel stick, a nice vanilla cupcake. Oh, and by the way, check out my video on how to make cupcakes. And we're also going to need icing, and we're going to use red food coloring. And now we're going to be coating the cupcake that I made. We're going to do it just like this. We're going to hold it at the top and coat on the sides first. And I find it's a little easier if you have a little thing like this, so it's up and you can even turn it. Doing a pretty good job. Almost there on the sides, and then we're going to be doing it on the top. We're almost done. All we need to do is just 1/4 of the cupcake. And now we're on the top. Let's just do a little bit just in case. And now we're done for the coating. Now, let's do the pretzel stick. And you gotta make sure that you get it just in the middle to make it look so. And now we're going to put the little leaves. And make sure that it doesn't fall. And now it looks like we're done. See? It looks just great. Boy, I can't wait to eat it. Thank you for watching Viggo's Kitchen. If you like this video, please subscribe. And please press the like button. Bye for now. See you next recipe.